These are the three ChatGPT systems that save me hours every week. Most people use ChatGPT randomly, but systems work much better. First, I use ChatGPT to plan my week in minutes. I ask it to organize my tasks, priorities, and schedule. Second, I use ChatGPT to organize projects and messy ideas. It turns random notes into a clear step-by-step workflow.